In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear gas tank strapping. It's located under the truck, back of the bed, in front of the bumper on an F-150. Now I supported the gas tank, or fuel tank, and I'm going to take the rotted bolts off holding these straps on. I could say what size they are, but it looks like aftermarket bolts have been used 100 times, but I'm going to be using a 13mm wrench or half-inch wrench and a 15mm socket with my air gun trying to get these to break free. There's 4 nuts and bolts all together. Last bolt to get on that tank strap is the one that was busted. Now I'm going to put my bolts through, putting the 2 longer bolts in the front, dropping them through. And then I'm going to put 2 shorter ones in the back so I can put the strapping up. Just start the nut. There we go. I'll move it to the front. I'm going to put a washer on these. And put the nut on. I'm going to repeat the same on the other side for the other gas strap. Okay, you want to make sure that these gas tank straps are in the channel, lined up with the ribs of the gas tank. So my bolts are a 12mm socket, 12mm wrench, but you can see what size you get. I'm not going to squish the tank. I don't want to crush it. I'm going to snug all 4 up and then adjust as I go. Let's let the jack down. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.